morning, students. I hope you all have completed your chapter number 7 and you are revising your previous work. Now today we'll start new chapter, chapter number 9, algebraic expressions and identities. Children, you have done this chapter in your previous class also, addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Now few basic terms will revise. First of all, what is the meaning of expression? Expressions are formed from variables and constants. You know what are variables and what are constant? Here I have taken two terms, 2y, and second I have taken minus 5yz. Here in the first expression, y is the variable and 2 is constant. Its value will remain same, so it is constant. In the second one, I have taken minus 5yz. The meaning of this is minus 5 is here constant and y and z, these two are variables. Now terms are added to form expressions. For example, 4xy plus 7, there are two terms. Now, terms themselves are formed as product of factors. Now, first term, 4xy. So, the factors of our first term, that are 4x and y. And in the second term there is only one factor, that is 7. Now next we have expressions that contain exactly 1, 2 and 3 terms are called monomial, binomial and trinomial respectively. Means a single expression, monomial. Example of this is 4xy. Now binomial, there will be two terms, 4x plus 7. Now next we have trinomials. There will be 3 terms. And in journal, any expression containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficient is called a polynomial. Means all these are called polynomials also, but single term expression, special name monomial, with 2 terms, special name binomial, with 3 terms, special name trinomial, and more than these 4, 3y, 4z and 7, we'll say this is a polynomial. Now here is one word, coefficient. What is the meaning of this? Coefficient or numerical coefficient, the meaning of this is the numeric factor of a term is called numerical coefficient. 4xy, here 4 is the numeric coefficient of this term. Suppose it is given to you to find the numeric coefficient of x. So here in first term numeric coefficient will be 14 and in the second term numeric coefficient will be 3. Whether it is having y, z also, yx, but numeric coefficient will be 3. Now after that we have like and unlike terms. Like terms are formed from the same variables and the powers of these variables are same too. Coefficient of like term need not to be same. For example, if I'll say 3x and 7y, these two are not like term, these are unlike term because their variables are not same. If I'll say 3x and 7x, these two are same, x and x variables are same, so these are like terms. If I'll say 3x square and 7x, these two are not like terms, whether variables are same but their degree, their power is not same. If I'll say 7xy and 3yx, these two are also like terms, x and y, two variables x and y. Here also two variables y and x, variables are same but their order is different, but these are also like terms. Now we'll be starting exercise 9.1. Question number 1. Identify the terms, their coefficient for each of the following expressions. So, how to do this question? Divide your page into 3 parts. First column will be for the expression, second for the term, and third for the coefficient. Now, the first we have here 5xy z square minus 3zy. So there are two terms. First we have 5xy z square and second term we have minus 3zy. Now the numeric coefficient of the first term is 5 and the numeric coefficient of the second term we have minus 3. So I am taking one more example. Second we have 1 plus x square. So same way you have to write it here, all these terms, first term 1, second term x, third term x square. Now you have to write the coefficient in front of this. Now question number 2. Classify the following polynomials as monomial, binomial, trinomial. Which polynomial do not fit in any of these categories? Now the first one, it is given to you x plus y. So in front of that write down binomial. Because there are two terms. Next we have 1000. So it will be monomial. After that we have x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to the power 4. Now there are 4 terms. So it is not a monomial, binomial or trinomial. So this is comes in the polynomial heading. So this way you have to complete your question number 1 and 2. Write down these basics in your notebook and complete question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 9.1. Thank you and have a nice day.